Living in a small apartment? No space for a full-size washer? No worries, the Black Plus Decker BPWM09W compact, portable and powerful is your ultimate laundry companion. With a sleek 0.9 cu fed capacity, this washer handles up to 6.6 pounds of laundry per load, perfect for tight spaces like kitchens, bedrooms or dorms. Choose from 5 smart wash programs, whether it's delicates or a quick 19-minute cycle. 3 water levels save on both water and electricity. Comes with child lock and auto shut-off for unbalanced loads. Peace of mind built in. Durable stainless steel tub built to last. You'll be amazed by how quiet it is. No fixed plumbing needed, just plug it in, hook up the hose and wash. Don't let laundry take over your life. The Black Plus Decker BPWM09W is the modern solution for compact living, small in size, big in performance. Click the link in the description to grab yours today. Loved by thousands. Black Plus Decker, smart, compact, and made for the way you live.